The brew is ready, friends.
It smells delightful. Let's taste it now.
To our cozy home.
This way. The best berries are higher up. Okay, let's go. Right behind you. This is fun.
Brothers, the berries are ripe. Let's go.
Right, to the berry patch. This stew is coming along nicely.
It smells wonderful. I'll add some herbs.
Perfect, it's ready soon.